What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to calculate your personal net worth, or in other words, if you've taken accounting classes or understand accounting, this is the basic accounting equation. So let's get started. It's very simple. It's three parts. Hopefully you've heard of this before. You have your assets. Examples of that is your cash, stocks, a house, all your furniture in the house, your cars or trucks. And then you have your liabilities, or in simpler terms, your debts. So your biggest, by far, usually is going to be your mortgage. Then you have some student loans in there if you have those, and then credit cards. Those are your typical debts, personally wise. And so, really, to get your net worth, assets minus your liabilities equals your equity in accounting terms, or your net worth, or um, if you're negative, then you have a negative net worth. So you can use this equation uh, in any way. Assets equals liabilities plus equity, assets minus liabilities equals equity, or equity equals assets minus liabilities. So that does it for today, guys. Hopefully try and use this in your personal lives. I know we do. Take a look at our monthly update videos. We use this equation extensively, obviously, to calculate our net worth. It's just a great equation to use to focus on how you're doing personally with your finances. So we'll catch you next time, guys.